Hello friends, how are you? I'm here with very interesting article on very dangerous person of 2017. He is Donald Trump, would be president of United States of America. As he has already won the presidential election of United States of America, and he will replace incumbent president of USA. That is who is Barack Obama. He's this news is the caption: Trump picks Twitter fight with China. Tweet comes day after quoting Chinese anger over telephonic call with Taiwan president. US President-elect Donald Trump fired a Twitter broadside at China on Sunday. Broadside, fired a Twitter broadside. Broadside means होता है simultaneous firing from one side, especially from aircraft. But here it is in different context. It is in context of Twitter. It means Donald Trump is constantly tweeting against those media personals. So accusing the Asian giants of currency manipulation and military expansionism in the South China Sea. मैनिपुलेशन मीन्स होता है छेड़ाखानी करनी, मिस हैंडलिंग करना. तो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव मिस मैनिपुलेशन है. मिलिट्री एक्सपेंशनिज्म तो बढ़ाना, एक्सपेंशन करना मिलिट्री नहीं सॉरी टेरिटरी का आपका एक्सपेंशन करना, इकोनॉमी का एक्सपेंशन करना. ठीक है. द टॉन्ट केम 2 days आफ्टर मिस्टर ट्रम्प रिस्क्ड ऑफेंडिंग. टॉन्ट मीन्स टॉन्ट है देसी भाषा में यूज करते हैं. टॉन्ट पे कोई रिमार्क किसी को प्रोवोक करने के लिए, किसी को बेइज्जत करने के लिए जो किया हुआ. A remark made in order to provoke someone or somebody. Taunt came 2 days after Mr. Trump risked offending Beijing. Risked means risk लिया, offending means बेइज्जत करने का रिस्क लिया बीजिंग को, by accepting a call from Taiwanese president. Because Taiwan and China, they are die-hard दुश्मन, enemies. ठीक है. They have great animosity between them, Taiwan and this is China. बहुत ज़्यादा. So by accepting a call from the Taiwanese president and heralded the prospect of a trade battle between the world's largest economies. Heralded means एक to show some एक इशारा जिससे कि कुछ होने वाला है, कुछ ऐसा होने वाला है. तो इशारा करना, सूचना देना कि ट्रेड बैटल दो लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी में दुनिया की, चाइना और अमेरिका में स्टार्ट होने वाली है. चाइना वाज अ फ्रीक्वेंट टारगेट ऑफ मिस्टर ट्रम्प. फ्रीक्वेंट में ज़्यादातर चाइना पे ही वो टारगेट करते थे. ड्यूरिंग हिज प्रेसिडेंशियल कैंपेन एंड ही प्रिपेयर्स टू टेक ऑफिस नेक्स्ट मंथ. एवरी साइन पॉइंट टू हिज टेकिंग एग्रेसिव लाइन विद बीजिंग. एग्रेसिव मीन्स थोड़ी एग्रेसिव, गुस्से वाली. Did China ask us if it was okay to devalue their currency, making it hard for the US companies to compete? Devalue means होता है अपनी करेंसी की जो औकात है उसे कम कर देना. जैसे कि 100 रुपये में कुछ चीज़ आती है, उसे डिवैल्यू कर देंगे तो वो 120 रुपये में आएगी. इसके फ़ायदे भी, इसका नुकसान भी है. तो जैसा तो चाइना को इससे फ़ायदा लग रहा था. तो इसके बाद making it hard for US companies to compete, heavily tax our product going into their country. The US does not tax them. Or build a massive military complex in the middle of the South China Sea. He demanded, adding, I don't think so. China is the United States' largest trading partner, but America run a $366 billion deficit with Beijing in goods and services in 2015, up 6.6% on the year before. Mr. Trump has vowed, शपथ लेना, to formally declare China a currency manipulator on the first day of his presidency. Manipulator वही है, छेड़खानी, उसने डिवैल्यू करी अपनी करेंसी की. तो that's why he is calling China a currency manipulator on the first day of his presidency, which would oblige the US Treasury to open negotiations with Beijing on allowing the renminbi to rise. Negotiation means बातचीत with Beijing on allowing the renminbi to rise. Renminbi तो करेंसी है चाइना की. With China holding about $1 trillion in the US government debt, Washington would have little leverage लीवरेज भी सही है और लेवरेज बहुत हैव दिस बहुत राइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ दिस वर्ड. Leverage in such stocks. Leverage means, little leverage means किसी को भी इन्फ्लुएंस कर लेना और वो जो तुम जो उससे कुछ करवाना चाह रहे हो वो कर ले. Leverage in such stock, but the declaration would harm ties and boost the prospect of a trade war. Prospect means आशा. On Friday, Trump quoted China's anger by accepting a congratulatory call from Taiwanese President Tsai Ing-wen. Mr. Trump's incoming Vice President Mike Pence played down the significance of the call, describing it as a courtesy, and said any new policy in the China would be decided after his inauguration. China responded cautiously. Cautiously means ध्यानपूर्वक, समझदारी नहीं, ध्यानपूर्वक, सचेतपूर्वक. Cautiously to the call, with the state media putting it down to Mr. Trump's inexperience. Got it? एक और वर्ड है वो तो ईडियम आया था, प्ले डाउन. Yes, here Mr. Trump's incoming vice president जो would be president Mr. Trump's incoming vice president Mike Pence played down the significance of the claw. Played down means होता है किसी भी चीज़ की significance या उसकी औकात या उसकी जो intensity उसे कम कर देना, to lessen or the effect or importance of anything. तो play down, it's a idiom. Play down means idiom. देखिए for example if I say play down the significance of the call. Okay. So that's for now guys. I hope you're liking my videos. Bye bye. Take care.